How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado let's get started. First you have to change DNS setting. Go to the Windows search icon at bottom left corner of your screen and type in View Network Connections. Once you find it, you simply need to access it. Now right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties option. Under connection users, you need to select Internet Protocol version 4 and select Properties at bottom right. Choose Use the following DNS server address and go to Preferred DNS server. Here you need to type in 8.8.8.8 and under Alternative DNS server type in 8.8.4.4. Now you have to click on OK button and close the window and check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, press Win plus R on your keyboard and type in CMD. After that, you need to press Enter on your keyboard. Here you need to type in ipconfig /DNS. Now hit Enter on your keyboard. So it has successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now try whether your issue resolved or not. If not, you need to navigate to Windows search icon again and type in Device Manager. Once you find it in here, you need to click on Open at right side and open Device Manager. Now locate Network Adapters option and expand this. Here you need to locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Afterwards, you simply need to right click on it. And now here you can see Update Drivers, select that and you need to click on Search automatically for drivers. So the base driver for your device are already installed. Now you simply need to restart your PC and check the connection. So that's how you can easily fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.